Plan turning, quite simply, without a cycle using G1, but remember, above the turning center. Longitudinal milling with G81, then the contour description, and finish with G80. The thread undercut is part of the contour and is executed with G85. Finishing. Use the radius correction G42 for the outer contours, followed by the program repetition G23. Thread turning. Go for the cycle G31, the tool rotates at a constant speed, G97, and, because it is mounted overhead, with M3. Radial milling. Engage cycle G86, which combines roughing and finishing, here side by side twice.